What's going on, guys? It's Weather with Jonathan here, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the weirdest top 3 tornado paths on Tornado Archive. So, starting off with the Grand Island tornado outbreak, this was known for all of its wacky tornadoes that happened in the tornado outbreaks. This resulted in about 5 casualties, 359 injuries, and 8 tornadoes. So I'm going to show you this in my video. So you can see on this day, on June 3rd, 1980, I'll just so you guys know, I'll draw where the date is always. The date, you guys, it's always going to be up here, okay? So you need to remember that, okay? It's always going to be right here. So if you want to keep up with the date, just look right up there. Just right up there. So this date in particular is known for the Grand Island tornado outbreak, and this caused 2 F3 tornadoes, 3 F4s, 3 F1s, 1 F4, and 1 F2. So you can see this first tornado touches down, curves, loops, curves, loops, curves, loops, curves again, loops, curves, loops, curves, loops, loops, and then curves again, and then dissipates. And these are so wacky tornadoes, you guys would not believe. And also, I just want to tell you, the last one you guys have got to watch, okay? Like, this is, it's the wackiest tornado path you'll see in your life. So then we had this tiny little F1, makes a complete loop, and then dissipates. And then this is the F3 that kind of caught my eye by surprise. So it starts, heads north, then makes an abrupt turn to the east, then makes a sharp turn to the south, and then just continues south, then makes a sharp turn to the east, and then curves towards the south. So that was a very weird tornado. And then this one, this F4, it curves, then it loops, then it takes a turn through southeastern Grand Island, and this is when it curved and then dissipated. And then you guys, you're going to be fascinated by the one I'm about to show you. So then the last one I'm about to show you. Then you have this F1 that very good and luckily killed no one, which is good. So that just completely made a half circle, and then another tornado touched down to the northeast of that, continues southwest, which, you guys, I just want to tell you, this is highly unusual. This is highly, highly unusual. So it touches down, it moves southwest, then west, and then northwest, and then northeast, and then dissipates. And the crazy part is, I just want to tell you guys, you know why this one in particular is the one that actually sticks out to me? Is that tornadoes, they don't travel south. You know, this is how tornadoes travel. They travel northeast. But guess what? You guys, this one was different. This traveled like insane. Like, this is not how tornadoes travel. So, can see that was a very weird tornado. Now, the one you guys are going to be fascinated by the most in this video, and I don't care if you're like, no, of course, in this video you're probably really good, so you're probably going to show us viewers some more wacky tornadoes. No, this is the wackiest tornado you guys will ever see. So you can see it touches down, curves, moves to the east, then loops, then curves, then makes a massive loop, then curves, and then loops, and then curves, and then loops, and then dissipates. Yeah, that was the whole story. So, you guys, it's just, this just goes to show you how fast tornadoes can change direction. And you guys, this was a crazy event. Like, I mean, that's all the tornadoes that struck Grand Island. So, That was June 3rd, 1980. If you guys have Tornado Archive, you probably should search it up on Google, and then down here at the bottom you should probably search up the date because it was very cool, and then you guys can see it on your own. Then that second date is actually May 28th, 2013, and this was known for the Kansas tornado that touched down just to the west of Bennington. And then what the crazy part about this is it it was very short lived. So it touches down and then it just completely curves and then loops and then curves and then it just dissipates. So this was a very short video slash topic about this in particular tornado. But believe me, the last one you guys will probably be pretty surprised. And the last one's known for the Greensburg tornado. It's May 4th, 2007. So yeah. So if I zoom out to Greensburg, you can probably notice one thing right away, even before I get to the entire Greensburg tornadoes, that they were all probably caused by the same supercell because they were moving in a northeasterly track. Well, actually, you guys are pretty much right. So, this is the Greensburg, Kansas F5 tornado, killed 63 it injured 63 and killed 11. Now, what really is cool about this is that it touches down and then it just makes a complete curve towards Greensburg, and then it makes a sudden turn and almost hits Greensburg again. So this is why this tornado is, first of all, especially dangerous, and it's second of all very wacky, and third of all, it just goes to show you how bad tornadoes can be and how fast tornadoes can change direction. Now, the supercell went on to produce a lot more tornadoes. I don't think all of these were from the same supercell, but you can see that it was possible because saw that line I just drew you. That's not the best example, but you can see if a supercell moves in a northeasterly direction, and especially if it's over the Great Plains, they usually move northeast. So this is definitely a crazy event because you can see, look at that, just complete straight line. I mean, that's a complete straight line to the northeast. So you guys can probably tell that that supercell likely produced many and multiple tornadoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll do this series every day where I do a tornado archive video, and the next one will be the tornado archive dates and tornado outbreak of December 10th, 2021, March 21st, 1932, and April 11th, 1965. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.